What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So I'm at Walmart right now, about to get ready and go in there. Thought I'd make this quick video here for you guys. So I wanted to make this video on one, what would happen if I went broke, and two, what would I do if I went broke, right? So quick recap, if you guys didn't know, back in 2016, PayPal froze my account. I had around $27,000 in there, and it pretty much froze it, never got it back, ended up refunding everyone, just, because I was like, I'd rather the people get their money back than just simply have PayPal get it or whatnot and just run an investigation. Like, literally just don't do shit. But yeah, after that, I had around like 15 bucks. I ended up turning that into like a couple $1,000s over the next couple of days. So if you didn't watch that, definitely go make sure you watch that, because if you're in a similar predicament, you'll be able to use the websites that I use. There should be up. If they aren't, just hit me up or whatnot. I actually have a reward site myself now. But what would happen nowadays, though? Because I mean, once something like that happens, like, the whole goal is to not have anything like that happen again, because they actually froze 3 days before Christmas, guys. 3 days before Christmas. That's ridiculous. Then that's a week before rent was due and a week and a half before electricity bill was due, right? So the way I have everything set up now, if current DeAngelo went broke, like let's say my accounts got frozen, all my money went away, like basically if I had to start completely over right now as I am right now, nothing would happen to me. Literally, I would lose no sleep at all. I mean, true, it would suck ass. Don't get me wrong, but I mean, at the end of the day, like, nothing would happen to me. Like, I wouldn't freak out, I wouldn't trip or anything like that. I mean, I guess I couldn't say I wouldn't freak out, but I mean, I would be extremely upset. But I mean, at the end of the day, like my lifestyle as it is right now would not change at all, like, because nothing would happen. Like, it literally only cost me around $500 a month to live. That's it. Like, that's why I keep trying to tell my students and stuff, like, stop trying to focus on, like, getting all these fancy toys and all this stuff, right? Like, I mean, you don't need it. Like, you really don't. All you need is to get you a house, a car, maybe a SUV or something, or a good, like, just get you something that you can afford. Don't finance all this stuff. If you just simply pay cash, you don't have to worry about it. Or if you're going to pay it off in like a few months, or I can't even say that, because I mean, you never know what can happen tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? So, like, if something like that happened to me today, nothing would happen, because I bought my house cash. So I don't have any mortgage, I don't have any rent. So my overhead, my house, my roof over my head, that's fine. I'm good. I ain't got to worry about that at all. My cars, I bought all my cars cash. No finance, no car notes, no payments. Well, I've actually never had a car note or no payments or anything like that, but yeah, didn't finance any of that. Strictly cash for every single car that I got. No payments whatsoever, right? So I don't have to worry about someone coming and repo my car or taking it away or something like that. So if you never buy things you can't afford, you never have to worry about them being taken away. That's why I keep, again, telling everyone, stop, stop financing stuff that's not going to make you more money. That's simple. Like, if you financing a $1,200 iPhone right now, that is extremely fucking stupid. I'm gonna just be free with you. That is dumb as hell. Especially when you can go to some place like off-road. Like, this phone I'm recording on right now costs like $1,000. I went to eBay and bought it for $400. I'm telling you guys, buy it, from other places. If you buy outright, you get so much. I mean, you get so much buying power. It's not even funny. Like, I got thousands of dollars off my house solely because I bought it in cash. I got thousands of dollars off my car solely because I bought it in cash. So guys, start dealing with cash. Like I said, I love cash because it forces you to level up. If you have to finance something, you cannot afford it. And if you have to pay for it with cash, there's no bank, there's no mom, there's no dad, to like basically give you money, get you a loan, stuff like that. You have to level up. It forces you to level up. It's just that simple, right? Like, I mean, it is what it is. You got to level up, guys. Now, what would I do if, I went broke and stuff like that? Now, today, I honestly would say I would probably pick Amazon FBA over CPA. Now, I know that's crazy, because, like, that's like how my whole empire got started, was with CPA. But I probably would just simply pick Amazon FBA. Like, if I was going strictly by, like, the average person, like, like I had no experience or whatever, like, I would pick Amazon FBA because it's easy. Like, I mean, literally all you have to do is drive around to a few Goodwills, and I would just only pick items that was like legit gonna sell like for like 150 bucks in profit or whatnot. And that was it. Like that would be like my whole thing. You know, I might find a few things here and there, whatever, but like I'm imagining I'm gonna be on a super small budget or whatever. So like I'll probably go knock doors, rake yards, whatever, generate, you know, a few $100s pretty quickly. And then that's what I would do, is just go to, you know, store after store after store after store after store. I probably legit would get like 4 hours worth of sleep. I probably legit stay in my car even though I have my house or whatever. Like, because I would just be on it, right? Like I would have my printer and all that stuff in the car. Like I would just drive around and then just like send stuff in constantly, like over and over and over. And then again, whenever I ran out of money, I would just go knock doors and, you know, rake and stuff like that. Because I mean, if you go and like, I could go get a job and stuff like that, but I mean, that's 40 hours that's taken up out the week, like 40 entire hours. And I'll probably only make like, you know, like what's minimum wage, or probably let's say like 10-15 bucks an hour. Like, what am I supposed to do with that, right? True, that'd be good for like a week or something like that, but I mean, you know, if I didn't have any other choice, I would go get a job or whatever. But if I do, of course, you know, we can go knock doors, go buy stuff from the dollar store, you know, get a reseller's permit, like 20 bucks or whatever for like on foot stuff, you know, go knock doors, sell candy, whatever I got to do. Because I mean, legit, you'll make a lot of money. I used to sell stuff door to door, and I used to sell candy and vacuums and all that stuff. You make a lot of money selling stuff door to door. Like I remember I made, what was that? I want to say it was like 1,000 something dollars, literally in the course of like, I think it's like $1,400 in like the course of like 15 minutes. It was crazy the amount of money you can make one door to door. But that's pretty much it, guys. You know, hopefully that helped you out. Hopefully gave you some motivation, stuff like that. You guys saw a little bit more of my story or whatnot. But yeah, guys, that's what would happen if I went broke, you know, and what I would do if I went broke or whatnot. So I highly recommend that you guys put yourself in a similar position, so that way you never have to worry about your stuff being taken away. If it's not going to make you money, don't finance. Don't finance TVs. Don't finance PS4s. Don't finance gaming consoles. Again, if it's not going to make you money. If you're someone who like plays professionally and stuff like that, of course, I mean, it is what it is. But if you're just like a regular, typical, average Joe, stuff like that, and the PS4 isn't going to make you money, you don't need it. But again, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff.